I will now teach you how you can have a natural conversation with AI and it can even see you in real time using Google's new Gemini 2.0. This is TeachAMonkeyAI. Step 1. Type aistudio.google.com. Click on the bottom left part, sign in with your normal free Google account. Step 3. Ignore all of this. Go to the left and click on Stream Real Time. And now when I click on this little mic, it will start a conversation. Hey, hi there.
Hello, how are you doing today?
This is a real-time conversation, no edits. Look at how fast it can respond to me.
Yes, I am designed to respond in real time.
Not only that, even as they're talking, you can just interrupt them by talking again. For example, wait until he says something.
I understand what you mean.
And now I am
respond.
interrupting them, as you can see.
Yes, I see that you are interrupting the other speaker.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the crazy feature is it can see you in real time. All you gotta do is click on this camera button and choose camera. What can you see right now that I'm holding?
I can see you're holding a bottle of Tabasco sriracha sauce.
Explain my background. What do you see?
In the background, I can see a room with dark gray walls. There's a projection screen, a dresser with a mirror, and some musical instruments, including a keyboard, a guitar, and a drum. There are also decorative wall hangings with geometric shapes.
What about this? What is this that I'm holding?
That's a smartwatch you're holding.
See, it even knew that it was a smartwatch and not just a watch. Here's a really cool feature, so check this out. Can you tell me if there's anything unhealthy about this?
Sure, let me take a look at the nutrition label. The sodium content is 160 milligrams per serving, which is 7% of your daily value. If you are sensitive to sodium, this might be something to keep an eye on. Otherwise, it doesn't seem to have any unhealthy attributes, as it has 0% fat and 1 gram of added sugar.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was all. How cool was that? Just instantly you can tell you what's in the ingredients. You can look at the room. You can say, how do I want to decorate? It's just crazy and it's free. This was a quick Teach a Monkey.